Hi, I'm Akshay MG. I'm a BSc Physics graduate and I am now doing Masters in Transportation and Automobile Design at NID GANDHINAGAR. After my graduation, I was actually confused what to do next. So during that time, I started to read newspaper regularly. Through newspaper, I came to know that NID is accepting admission for 2022, 23 batches. That's how I actually came to know about NID. My journey to NID starts to the preparation for that news. I knew that for prelims there were two sessions, one with GK Repo and all, and one with drawing part. For the drawing part, it was easy for me. I knew somewhat something about perspective drawing, storyboarding, and things like that. I knew about. So my strategy was to refer minimum material and revise it maximum. So I read few materials, I referred few websites, and I revised the same content repeatedly. So it helped me to memorize that content and helped me to convey it for a long time. For the drawing part, I used to sketch daily. I used to live sketch. I used to live sketch in perspective also. So that was my preparation for that phase. For me, my studio test was connected and I did under that campus. The main consisted of mainly three questions. One was from live sketching, one was concept development, the third one was material handling. For me, live sketching and material handling was easy. Live sketching was all about um, creating three main sketches of a still model. Basically, for us, was it was a motorcycle, and the time management was like 15 minutes for each sketches. It was all about practice. You have good muscle memory. You can finish the sketches within that 15 minutes they have given. For material handling, they have given us about 1.5 hours, but maybe much for that material handling. It was quite easy for both. I finished that session by 45 minutes, and material handling was easy for me. The second testing was the concept developing. For that, we were asked to develop a shared mobility device, and we have to make two sheets, one with the specifications and the other with its render. So for me, managing the time for that question was bit difficult. So I was unable to complete the second part, that is rendering part, due to time constraint. This did that the studio test was actually okay for me. As I am coming from a non-design background, I didn't knew much about what is a portfolio, how does it look, and how should we prepare a portfolio. So I started searching for portfolio model and how people are making their portfolio, how they are presenting their work. So I knew that I should bring some projects for some work related to my thing as I was applying for masters. Actually, I didn't have any projects related to that. That is transportation and automobile design, and I didn't have any particular works that was provided in that portfolio. So I had to learn some new skills in order to produce some projects that was related to that. So within the time they have given us to prepare portfolio, that was around 3 weeks or so. I learned Photoshop, I learned Blender, and I created some projects, three projects related to that. And along with that project, I added some of my sketches also, and I took other portfolios as references. And with time, I slowly developed a way of presenting my works in my own style, and that's how I prepared my portfolio. As I said before, I came to know about NID newspaper. So after that, I browsed their website and went through all the courses that they offer. So during that process, only one course made sense to me. That was transportation and economics. Every other courses didn't connected to me as that did. That's why I selected transportation and economics and I opted for that. My parents and my friends were very supportive for me. They gave me medals for and helped me during difficult times. Uh, Throughout the preparation of exam, uh, they didn't question me. They gave me time. They were so patient, and I was also determined to give them back a good result. So I prepared, and when the result came, they're actually very happy that even I didn't expected that I would clear this exam with my top rank. And when I compared with all the other applicants during the studio test also, I was very less confident that I would clear this. But when the result came, everyone was very happy. Actually, they were very proud of, and it was a very magical and happy moment that has happened to me. After getting the offer for 1080 and after selecting that, the next thing that I did was I searched for best coaching centers for design aptitude test. Then I found that there is an institute near to my home. That's thing. Then I joined thing. I was in the online batch, and thing gave me a clear idea of how to approach a design aptitude test, how to prepare for peers, how to prepare for roles, and how to make a portfolio. The packages of thing gave me a clear guidance for, for preparing for the GK, the regional sketching, and everything. Coming from a non-design background, I didn't know how to approach a design aptitude test. So, through the classes, I learned about the reason, about which area of GK should I concentrate more, and how should I practice my skills, how should I improve my perspective, everything. So, after clearing names, the preparations of names, at that, the sessions of thing helped me to improve my material handling skills. With which sort material I should practice? How should I practice with different materials? What all questions can be expected? Like that. So, in names also, they helped me a lot. And in portfolio making, that was the most confusing part. I didn't know how to make a portfolio in first place. So with the sessions of things, I learned how to make a portfolio, how to basically make a peaceful layout for a portfolio, how to present my work, how which all project should I place and everything. Actually, without think, it's sure that I wouldn't have cleared this exam. I think if I take a ratio, 50% is my effort, and the entire 50% is thing. Without saying, this frame of NID wouldn't have been. My suggestion for NID aspirants is that evaluate yourself. Ask yourself what I am good at, what I am best at, what can I do? Can I grow well? Or am I good at sketching? Am I good at modeling? Or am I good at design thinking? Question yourself, and through the entire learning process, try to reflect on your own work. Evaluate yourself and try to learn from that. NID is a place that appreciates your ideas, your skills. So believe in yourself, believe in your skills, believe in your ideas, and prepare well. You will crack it.